Hey beauties, welcome to Dominique's Vanity Corner, and today we're discussing the cleansing bars from Urban Skin RX. Now Urban Skin RX has 3 cleansing bars: Even Tone Cleansing Bar, the Clear Skin Cleansing Bar, and the Combination Skin Cleansing Bar. What's so special about these cleansing bars is they do 3 things. Number 1, they all target a specific skincare concern. Number 2, all bars can be used as a daily cleanser, an exfoliator, and a mask. And number 3, they all target acne and discoloration. Urban Skin RX uses what they call the Clear Skin Advanced technology. And this is a blend of 6 ingredients that work together to prevent uneven skin tone and blemishes. According to UrbanSkinRx.com, the Clear Tone Advanced technology is incorporated into Urban Skin RX products because they recognize that melanin-rich skin, whether it's dealing with acne, aging, or dry skin, is always more prone to uneven skin tone and hyperpigmentation. I'm excited about Urban Skin RX because I've been dealing with acne, dark marks, large pores, oily skin, a whole bunch of other issues. So let's go ahead and get into it. I'll briefly explain all 3 products, its benefits, and why you should use it. And at the end of this video, I will share with you 3 most popular questions about Urban Skin RX, and also I'll have a PDF guide that you can download so you can refer back to after you watch this video. And while we're at it, go ahead and click that subscribe button because I'm going to share more products about Urban Skin RX, review it, share tutorials, guides as well, and then I have a playlist so you can always refer back to it. And of course, if you have any questions, any skincare concerns, if you want me to review a certain product, please leave them in the comment section below. I'll get back to you and then I'll of course make the video. So first up, the Even Tone Cleansing Bar. Now this is the most popular product from Urban Skin RX. It was awarded Best in Black Beauty from Essence. It is amazing. Look at it inside. It smells really good, like licorice. This is for anyone who is suffering with dark marks or uneven skin tone. And remember, if you do have those problems and you have acne, it's going to help as well. It's not an acne product per se, but it will help with the Clear Tone Advanced technology that we talked about before. So who should use it? Anyone with dark marks and uneven skin tone. It's ideal for people who have combination and normal skin, but anyone can use it. I use it and I don't have normal skin at all. So they have some key ingredients. I can't pronounce all of them, so I'm gonna list them in this PDF guide that you can download. But the key benefits are, number 1, it's a 3-in-1 daily cleansing treatment for uneven skin tone and dark spots. Number 2, it promotes a brighter, healthier, and more even complexion. And number 3, it is perfect for all skin types. So it's ideal for the person who has normal to combination skin and dark marks. But again, Urban Skin RX products, they make sure that everyone can use it and everyone can use it. There's no surprise why the Even Tone Cleansing Bar is the most popular cleansing bar from Urban Skin RX. As African Americans or anyone of color, dark marks are an issue for us. It's very hard to get rid of them. So they created this. That's why Essence named it Best in Black Beauty. I love it. I use it in combination with the next bar that I'm going to talk about. Number 2, the Clear Skin Cleansing Bar. So who should use this bar? Anyone with oily skin, acne-prone skin, large pores, or clogged pores. Now this is my number 1 go-to. I have proof. Number 1 go-to is almost empty. And of course you can use it as a daily mask, an exfoliator, and a cleanser. Now this is a bestseller from Urban Skin RX. A lot of us deal with acne and large pores, so this one is a bestseller. I use this one in combination with the Even Tone Cleansing Bar. I may use this one at nighttime and then use the Even Tone in the daytime, but I usually always go for this one. So the key benefits are, number 1, it's a 3-in-1 daily cleansing treatment for breakouts and blemishes. Number 2, it provides antibacterial and anti-inflammatory benefits. And number 3, it's perfect for hormonal breakouts and oily skin types. So some key ingredients in this, if you have acne, is salicylic acid, eucalyptus leaf oil, and sulfur. So this is the number 1 reason why I don't deal with acne breakouts as much. I did break out down here and I am a pimple popper, so that's my issue. But I'm trying to stop it. But this definitely works. This has brought my acne down dramatically. You can look at my other videos. I have the link down below, and you can see how my skin has improved just with this bar alone. I started off with this one, and then I, went to the other products. And, I suggest you start off with one cleansing bar and then go into the other products that they have. But this one, bestseller, no reason why it wouldn't be. And lastly, we have the Combination Skin Cleansing Bar. So this one used to be called the Anti-Aging Cleansing Bar. It still says it on my jar, but it's the same formula, just different names. Of course, with this combination skin, if you have acne, it's going to help. If you have dark marks, it's going to help too. This one, I've used it. I have oily skin, but I use it just to see how it works, and it made my skin a lot oilier, so it does work. Look, I didn't use too much, I just sampled it. This is their 2-ounce jars, so they do have a 2-ounce and a 3.7 ounce, so you can buy either one, depending on how much you need or how much you want to try out for the first time. The key benefits to this one is it's a 3-in-1 daily treatment for rejuvenating, hydrating, and smoothing skin. Number 2 is the perfect solution for combination skin types. And number 3, it helps improve the appearance of dull skin, fine line, and wrinkles. So anyone who suffers from dry and oily combination skin type, like sometimes you'll be oily right here, your T-zone, and your T-zone, and then you may be dry in different areas or however it may be. It's great for that. So I'm going to show you one more time how it looks. This is the combination skin. This is a clear skin cleansing bar. And this is the even tone cleansing bar. Again, all 3 bars are perfect for any skin type. You just need to figure out what your skincare problem is, and then you can pick a bar that's associated with. So again, for me, I have oily skin. I use the clear skin cleansing bar. If I'm running out of it, which I am right now, I'll use my even tone cleansing bar just to give me that double kind of work for my dark marks. But I usually use 1 or 2, mostly this. So I know we didn't cover each bar into detail, but I just want to give you a quick overview of what they do. And then you can also download this PDF guide so you can see which one that you really need. It'll give you some key benefits, the key ingredients, who should use it, and let you know which one's the best sellers and things like that. And if you want, I can make a video about each bar and we can really go into detail, but I just want to give you a quick overview so you know what to buy. Urban Skin RX, they usually always have sales, so be sure to follow them at Urban Skin RX and urbanskinrx.com and subscribe to the newsletter because they literally always have sales. They'll have a sale where you can get all 3 for one little small price, and then if you don't need all 3, you can keep one and give 2 other ones to a friend. So I know you're going to have more questions about Urban Skin RX, so I found 3 popular questions online that people have been asking, and I found the answers on urbanskinrx.com. They give you tons of information, so everything I'm telling you, it's on their website. I'm just making it very easy for you to digest it and download a guide if you need to. So the first question everyone asks is, if I have dark marks and acne, do I use a clear skin cleansing bar or the even tone cleansing bar? The answer: if you have dark marks, suffer from acne, and have oily skin, use the clear skin cleansing bar. The clear skin cleansing bar. If you don't suffer from oily skin or acne, but have discoloration or want a brighter, more even tone complexion, use the even tone cleansing bar, which is this. It's important to remember that all 3 of our cleansing bars help with acne and discoloration, so the bar needs to be chosen based on your skin type. For example, someone with dry skin, aging concerns, and acne and discoloration would pick the anti-aging cleansing bar, which is now known as the combination skin cleansing bar. Number 2, is the combination skin cleansing bar the same as the anti-aging cleansing bar? Yes, we just talked about this. This bar has a new name, but the same great formula. We wanted our customers to know that this cleansing bar is the best solution for combination skin types and dry skin types. So there you go. And last question, because I know you want to know, is where you can find Urban Skin RX. So you can find Urban Skin RX on urbanskinrx.com, Target, They're now in CVS and Ulta, and next week I'll be at their little soiree in LA to celebrate that. So they are expanding. You're gonna see Urban Skin RX in a lot more places. So that's why I'm doing these videos. So when you find a product, you're like, oh, what is this? You can just go on YouTube and find me, and I'll let you know. I've been using Urban Skin RX since consistently all 2018, and then I used them once in 2017. That's when I got my little packet, my starter kit, and I liked it. And then I just went to another product and was like, why am I breaking up? And then I had to go order Urban Skin RX. So when I placed my order in January of 2018, I literally got everything. I spent like $500, no lie, on products, like products just with the cleansing bars. I got the serums, the acne wipes, the cleansing pads, everything. I literally tried everything. And now, since I've been trying everything, they do gift me with products here and there. And if I'm gifted with products, and if it's a sponsored video, I'm gonna let you know. This one is not sponsored. I just wanted to share this information with you guys because I know how it is trying to find products for your skin, and you're like, I'm never gonna find it. I'm just gonna get some plastic surgery and call it a day. I don't know if you thought about that, but I have. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, I'll leave a link in the comments section so you can download this guide. And be sure to subscribe to this channel, you guys. I'm coming out with more videos, more PDF guides, a whole playlist about Urban Skin RX alone. So if you have some questions, be sure to hit me up. Leave them in the comment sections below. Be sure to follow my blog, Dominique'sVanityCorner.com. I share tips and tricks there too. And then also on Instagram at Dominique's Vanity Corner. And I just want to let you know, if you need an exfoliator or a body scrub, I create body scrubs on diamondsbydominique.com. They're all natural body scrubs. This one is the Cocoa Diamonds, made with cocoa butter, shea butter, sweet almond oil, and other luxurious natural oils for beautiful skin, you guys. And it has gold shimmer in it, so after you use it, you're shining and glistening like a diamond. So be sure to follow me there. I'm always on Instagram every single day. You can hit me up there directly at Dominique's Vanity Corner. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you get some Urban Skin RX products to help with your skin. And until next time, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.